Hi everyone, I finally got a new LED light for my YouTube videos. Let's unbox it together. So guys, let's unbox it. I'm so happy I bought it. Okay, this one is the travel charger. The battery, sorry. And this one is the battery. I think this is the battery. It has two battery pack.
The evening is calm, the stars shine bright. Good friends are gathering here tonight. Smiles and laughter fill the air. So much joy for us to share. The food is warm.
Yeah, how did you open this one?
Everything feels so right tonight. Come and stay, don't rush away. Let's enjoy this peaceful day. Lazy love, good vibes tonight. Hearts together, feeling alright. Lazy love,
so let's
for a while. Sharing laughter with a warm
on it.
everyone, good times together. The night has begun. Lazy love, let's make memories.
And this is the stand. So I am putting the stand together so that we can see how bright it is. I'm so happy I actually bought this LED light because I know it will be so useful to my cooking and lifestyle videos. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to all my returning viewers, to all my subscribers, to everyone always watching my videos. I'm so grateful. Thank you all for your support to my channel. I'm so grateful.
Welcome everyone, good times together. The night has begun. Lazy love, let's make memories filled with joy and harmony. The music plays so soft and sweet, moving gently with the beat.
Voila, here comes our light is on. I think the lightning is much more better than before, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, guys. This is me. The light is giving and I love it. I love it so much, and I know my cooking and lifestyle content is going to be more bright, and I'm so grateful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, drop a comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Stay for